This example will show you how to set up a course with a Scorm file and a completion certificate. From the home page, choose Add a new course. If you don't see that option, then you need to turn editing back on by clicking on the gear and choosing Turn on Editing. Now you're ready. You will name the course, choose a start date, and unclick Calculate the end date from the number of sections, and unclick Enable to keep the course open over time. You can give the course a summary and upload a course image. Under Course Format, you will choose Topics Format, one section, although this could change based on your needs. The other feature you need is to be sure completion tracking is yes. Now, save and return. Enter the course by clicking on the title. Change Topic 1 to a more appropriate name by clicking the pencil, typing, and pressing Enter. Items above the topic are for informational purposes related to the course, like an announcement to the students before they start the course. Underneath the topic, we will choose to add an activity. We're going to add the Scorm file. You will name and describe it, and click Add, and then upload the zipped Scorm file from your computer. For the Scorm activity, we only need to adjust a few features. However, you do have the option to set a due date, force users to complete a course, lock an activity after one try, and many other things, as you can see. The following features that I'm going to show you are required for the proper functioning and reporting of this particular Scorm course. Under Grade, choose Learning Objects. Under Activity Completion, for the completion tracking, choose Show Activity as Complete when conditions are met, and then be sure that only Completed is checked. Save and return to the course. This might take a moment. Now I'm going to add an extra resource. I'm going to add a file. Now I'm going to add another activity, Custom Certificate. Name it and describe it. Under Restrict Access, choose Add Restriction, Activity Completion, and choose the Scorm activity, that it must be marked complete. Under Activity Completion, choose Do Not Indicate Activity Completion. This means that students do not have to view their certificate in order to complete the course. Save and display. Now click the gear and choose to Edit Certificate. Scroll to Load Template and pick the one that you've already made. Click Load. You can use the certificate as you originally designed it, or you can add additional features that will be unique to this specific certificate. Click Save. Now you'll have to go back to the course homepage. Go to the gearbox and choose Course Completion. We will set this course to be considered completed when someone successfully completes the Scorm package. Click on Activity Completion and click the Scorm file. Click Save Changes. This will ensure that a user is emailed a copy of their certificate once they've completed the course. However, they will also have the option to download it within the course. Now we need to add students and teachers to the course. Go to the gearbox in the top right and choose More. Then Users, Enrolled Users, Enroll Users. Search and add students. You now have students enrolled. You might also want to assign someone as the teacher so they can manage the class. Click on the gearbox. Let's go to the gradebook. Go to View, and now you can see who has completed the course. A dash means they have not attempted the activities. A 1 means they have successfully completed the course. The gearbox also shows you how to copy a course, so you can have different sections of the same course, or you can reset the course, which will empty out all users and grades so you can start over. Now I want to show you around this page. Here's your gearbox that's unique to only this course. And over here to the side, you have the navigation menu for this course only. Underneath, we have the navigation for the main site homepage. Let me show you what I mean. Click on the Get Home Fast button. Now you can see we're back to the main navigation. And now you're ready to get started making your first course.